Hey, what's going on, my friend? Tasche here. Hope you're having a fantastic, awesome day. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $5 uploading tiny 15 to 60-second videos. But before we get started, I want to just ask you to hold off on your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions to my channel until you've gotten value first from this video. See, I'm not going to be like these other YouTubers who, as soon as a video starts, they want you to start, they want you to like it and comment, etc., etc. I want you to get value first. So just hold off on the likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions, which I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to like my videos. I'd love to see your comments and would love to have you share this. But I want to make sure that I'm doing you justice, that I'm giving you value first. So hold off on all the interactions, all the engagements, until you've gotten value first. Now, as I said in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $5 uploading tiny 15 to 60-second videos. But at the end of this video, I'm also going to give you a bonus. I'm going to give you another way to make money from home that you can actually use to replace your job income. In fact, you can probably use it to replace the income of your entire household. Okay, this is a way you can actually make 5, 6, 7 figures per month or even per year, all from home. Okay, so with that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So guys, as I said, I'm going to show you today how to make $5 uploading tiny 15 to 60-second videos. And the way we're going to do that is through a site called TimeBucks. Now, you may have heard of TimeBucks. I believe I've done some videos on this in the past. TimeBucks is a site where you can go and complete offers and surveys and get paid for it. Okay, but we're not going to talk about the offers and the surveys. We're going to talk about making videos and getting paid for creating videos. So, what you want to do is you want to go and sign up at TimeBucks.com. If you want to sign up under me, I'm going to leave my referral link down below. You can go and sign up at TimeBucks, and when you do get a TimeBucks account, you can actually refer other people and actually earn a little bit of what they, a percentage of what they earn as well. So it's a great referral program. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account real quick. Let me go to the login page and do the capture real quick. And go and log in. Okay, so once we log in, guys, if you're not familiar with TimeBucks, you can actually see right here. Okay, I'll do this later. I've already done it before, but I don't know why it's not complete. But anyway, guys, you can see right here the different tasks that people have already done and gotten paid for. This person here did surveys earned 12 cents. This person earned 20 cents. There's a lot you can do with TimeBucks, guys. A lot besides what we're talking about today. You can do a lot of other things: tasks, offers, surveys, etc. This person earned 260. Okay, I haven't done much with TimeBucks myself. As you can see, my account is just over $1, so I haven't done much with it recently. But guys, when I found out about this new way to make money on TimeBucks, and actually I was inspired by Victor Perez. He has his own YouTube channel, and Victor is one of the top, in my opinion, one of the best and one of the top make money online YouTubers out there. There's a lot of guys that I follow, a lot of people I follow in the same niche as me. Victor is one of the best, so I highly suggest you subscribe to his channel. I'll leave the link for his channel in the description as well. Okay, but what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go and talk about how to earn money doing videos. So first thing you want to do is you want to go, once you've logged into TimeBucks, you've verified your account. If you're creating a new account, make sure you verify and etc. And then you will log in and go to where it says Earn. Click on Earn, and then down here you want to click on TikTok. Okay. Click on TikTok. Okay. Now, I haven't set up my TikTok here yet because I've still growing my TikTok channel. But if we go here to click here. Now, the way to set this up, okay, is they have a few, requirements, okay, and it's not that hard to set up. Okay, you may be thinking where it says here, you must have 500 followers, at least 4 posts on TikTok. Okay, well, 4 posts on TikTok, you can do that, whatever. 500 followers is not really hard to do on TikTok. Okay, I'm not quite there yet. I'm about 200 followers myself, but I'm still growing my channel, and it's not that hard to do. All you got to do is just keep creating content, keep putting out there, and engage with people, and you'll get followers. So you want to get at least 500 followers, and then have at least 4 posts on your TikTok channel. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to TikTok.com, download the app if you don't have it right now to your phone, or you can just go directly to the Play Store or the App Store and download the app from there. Create an account. If you already have an account, skip that. Go to point 2, which is next step. Next, you're gonna edit your bio and put this 6-character code anywhere in there. Basically, what this is, and yours will be unique. It's a code that you put into your profile, so they can actually check and make sure you own this account. Okay, and then once that's verified, you can actually take the code out. So it says edit your bio and put this 6-character code anywhere in there, so we can verify you on that page, and you can remove it once it's verified. Then you gotta enter your TikTok username here, without the @ symbol. You gotta select the category that you think your page belongs under. So we have like dancing and singing, comedy, pranks, luxury, all these different types of categories that you could choose, whatever your channel's about. Okay, you choose a category that closely represents your channel. Okay, and then what type of TikTok account do you think this is? Okay, is it a real person that's actually you that shows your face in more than 50% of your videos? Is it a character account where you dress up as a character, or use a puppet, or don't show your face? Or is it a repost account where you upload other videos from or on the internet and never show your face? Okay, doesn't matter, whatever your account type is. Okay, mine is a combination between real person and repost. That's mine. It's probably more real person. More than half my videos have my face in it. Character account, like I said, if you create your own character and just make shows, whatever. Any of these, whatever your account is, choose an option. Okay. And number 6, we think the majority of your followers might be from the United States, which is they're basically going by your location. Okay. So whatever country you're in, it's probably going to say, if you're in India, it's probably going to say, we think the majority of your followers might be from India. Okay, whatever. If this is not true, please upload a screenshot of your followers analytics showing where the majority of your followers are from. Okay, skip this if we're correct. Optional, upload a screenshot of your follower analytics if you want to. And then once you submit your page will be pending approval by an admin. You will receive an email and notification once it has been approved. This process can take up to 7 days, and then you just submit it. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to get different tasks. Okay, and the tasks are going to be things like doing a duet with another video, uploading music that's being promoted by Timebucks onto one of your videos. Okay, different things you can do. So it's you'll learn all about what the tasks are going to be once you've been approved. Okay, and you do that, you're going to earn a little bit here, a little bit there. You earn your $5 doing your videos. Okay, and you can do this as many times as you have tasks that you can do. Okay. Now, a little bit of a bonus with Timebucks, again, while you're waiting to be approved on TikTok, while you're growing your TikTok channel, you can go through here and do these, other tasks and kind of test it out and see how it is. Okay, you can go do surveys, create content. There's different tasks here. You can sign up for different offers and get paid. You can refer others. Okay, this is what's another great thing about Timebucks. You can refer others. You'll get paid for anyone you refer to Timebucks. They pay 15% commission on anyone you refer. That means if you referral earns $10, you will earn $1.50. You will also earn 50% commission of each roll bonus your referral wins. There's a different games you can play in here. So if they roll and win 10, you will also win 5. You'll earn 10% commission on any advertising funds that get deposited by any user. So if someone wants to advertise on Timebucks and they deposit $100, you'll get $10. Okay, so a lot of great ways to earn money here, guys. So now, obviously, with this earning $5 doing 15 to 60-second videos, you're obviously not going to be able to quit your job with this. This is not life-changing income. It's money to get started. So what I consider stuff like this, different sites that do offers and surveys, and I consider this seed money. Okay, this is not income replacing money. Okay, this is not money you want to go and just go and blow on something. Okay, this is what I call seed money to get started with investments, with getting into other programs, other businesses. This is what that's why it's called seed money. You take it and use it to grow. Now, if you really want to get out of the 9 to 5, if you really want to get your income to a whole new level, you want to get out of the rut you're in. You want to get out of you're tired of being stuck. You're sick of jumping around from program to program, trying to find something that's going to work for you. Okay. There's a lot of great businesses out there, guys. A lot of great ways you can make money online. In fact, there's no excuse why you can't be making 7 figures a year plus within the next few years. You just got to put in the work. Now, what I've been doing is I joined an opportunity about a year and a half ago, probably actually more close to 2 years ago, and it has literally changed my life. It is something that has a real product that people want and need, and a real opportunity to change people's lives. It's not one of these fly-by-night things where you join and all of a sudden it goes under. In fact, this company recently took over another longer-standing company because of their growth, how they've been growing. They've incorporated a different company that was having trouble, and now this company that I'm talking about is actually expanding its value, expanding its reach, expanding what it offers. But if you want to learn more, this is a company that has a product that I've been using that has taken me and made my life much better. Okay. So what I want you to do, guys, is I'm going to leave a link down below to my #1 recommended way to make money from home. And what you do, I want you to click on that link. It's going to take you to a page where you can enter your email address. Once you enter your email address on that page, and you'll get more information. Okay? Again, this is something that I've been doing for the last about 2 years, and it has made my life so much better, not just financially, but also my health, my mindset, and my life in general. I highly recommend that you take a look. So, again, click the link down below to learn more. I also want to thank you for watching this video on how to make $5 uploading 15 to 60 second videos. If you've gotten value from this video, please give me a like, leave your comment down below, share this with your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, with that, guys, it's Kurt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video coming very soon. Have a fantastic day.